Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. A couple of weeks back we made some beef short ribs in the Gozney Dome, and we've got some of that beef rib left, so today we're going to make a beef rib pizza. The dough I'm using today is a pre-made dough. The quantities I'll put in the description down below. If anyone knows a better way of storing fresh dough than this, please put it down in the comments below. This ball weighs 250 grams, which is about 9 ounce. So we're just going to lightly flour the board, tip our dough out onto it. So we're just going to shape our ball back into a round. Come in with the fingers, firm pressure, and push the dough out, always maintaining that edge. Keep turning, pressing the dough out. Now we're going to lift it, and we're just going to use the hands and the weight of the dough to stretch. So we'll stretch the dough out, ready to get some toppings on. So we've got 30 grams, that's 1 ounce of pizza sauce. Just use the back of the spoon to spread it out nice and evenly. Just keep it away from that edge. 150 grams, that's approximately 5 ounces of shredded mozzarella. Now we've got our leftover beef short rib. This is probably about 150 grams, again 5 ounces. I didn't weigh it. Place that on. I've got half a red onion that we've sliced very thinly. Sprinkle it over the top. And now we're ready to get into the Gozney Dome. Bit of flour onto the peel. Quick action, don't be afraid, and go. Put it onto the peel. Anything that escapes, get it back on. Now we'll get this into the Gozney Dome. Now the Gozney Dome's running at about 420C, that's 790F. We're going to come in and turn. This is the first pizza I've ever cooked in the Gozney Dome, so you'll have to bear with us. So that's had about 90 seconds, and I'd say that pizza's ready. So now we're just going to garnish it with some horseradish sauce and some fresh rocket, or arugula I think you call it in America. Our pizza's ready, let's cut into it and see what it tastes like. Nice crisp. That beef is nice and tender. But horseradish over the top, always a good accompaniment for beef. And that peppery taste from the rocket. The pizza base at the bottom's got nice colour on it. Gonna look forward to making a lot more pizzas in the Gozney Dome.